So good morning everyone. We are at the Hendon Test Center and the weather condition today is really heavy rain and it's quite wet on and so many puddles on the road as well. But we have decided to do this test route at this level of the weather, and it's a 857 test route. The candidate have done this practice of this route a couple of times, and we decided to do a bit of a mock test. Try not to speak in between of the route. We will discuss the whatever the mistakes and problems at the end of the finishing of the route. So we have set the route on the sat nav. The sat nav is going to give you the full guidance of the route, but in the test it's only for half of the test, which is 20 to 25 minutes, and the rest of the time the examiner will give you the rest of the instructions. Okay, but today we will do the full test route on the sat nav so that we can have a bit of a practice of the sat nav guidance as well. So when you're ready, drive on and you make this left turn from here. But ideally, if you are in the test, then you will be coming from the right hand side and you're going straight ahead. So you're coming from that side of the road and you're following this road on the straight ahead. But because it's not allowed to go anymore in the test center's car park for XYZ reason, so we're just starting our route from here. Okay? So whenever you're ready, let's go. So at the end of this road, we're turning left, and then SatNav is going to start giving you the instructions.
After 80 yards, turn left, Aerodrome Road. You will arrive at your destination at 9:32 a.m. Turn left. After 200 yards, go straight on Greyhound Hill. Go straight on.
pull up on the left side, somewhere safe, please. There's a car next to you. Drive on when you're ready.
At the end of the road, turn right, A504, Church Road. Turn right. After 200 yards, go straight on, A504, The Burrows. Go straight on.
In the left lane, sir.
200 yards, turn left, Algernon Road. Turn left. At the end of the road, turn right, Dartmouth Road, then turn left. Turn right, then turn left. Turn left, Vicarage Road, then go straight on, Elliot Road. Go straight on.
Okay, so I'll just pull over on the left for a minute. I need to discuss this one again with you. To me, when I'm looking what your behavior on that lines, yeah, it just felt me right now. It you just ticking the box that, oh, it says stop, I need to stop. So it just says like stop, and I just need to check. Is like you're checking just like this. Like let me turn this. So this is what you're doing. So like it says stop, so you stopped, and it says like check, you're just checking. Do you have any idea who's coming on the right and left? No.
Yeah, there was
Exactly. Like no, there is no one. That is a different thing. But
Yeah.
do we have any idea that who can possibly can come? No, we don't have any idea. The reason why they have stop line or a give a line, or you need to stop on a closed junction, that you make your view better. Now, what I am observing that you are not doing any effort to make that view happen apart from stopping. You're just stopping and you're doing this. But there are two things you can possibly do is that you stop correctly, that's fine. Now look, like bend yourself, lean yourself towards the steering wheel, and then try to look, okay? And then not just straight away go like slowly, creeping. So when you creep the car, so inch by inch, then the front of the bonnet is now showing the oncoming vehicle that something is sticking out. So if possible, vehicles coming from the right and left, then they can see you, they can slow down for you now, because they have now established a communication gap. Oh, somebody is coming out. And if you also now see them, but then if you half of the car is out, then obviously you can get you have to clear the road anyway. But what is happening right now is like on these 3 occasions, like you stop, not even 2 seconds, you stop. It's just like go, but not bend, not making efforts to make the actual check. I'm going to say, because clearly vision is not there. There are vehicles here which cannot be able to make you see what's coming on the other side. Okay? Come on, let's go. It's like stop, you check, and look, there's a car. See that? This is why you want to stop. Okay, doesn't matter like it's about 7 car length, but this is the reason why they want you to stop. It's like let them pass. Okay. And the same thing you can't see on the left hand side. That's why you need to be like more cautious and then go.
After 80 yards, turn right, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. Turn right, Fairfield Avenue, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Park Road. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. End of the road, turn left, A41, Hendon Way, then turn right. Turn left, then turn right. After 300 yards, turn right, B551, Queens Road. Turn right, then turn left.
You can keep like this. थोड़ा आगे जाके. Bit more if you can, because nobody will jump here. Okay? That's it. So that will make your turn easy, and someone can fit behind us as well.
Turn left. After 200 yards, turn left, A504, the Durrows, then go straight on. Turn left, then go straight on. Go straight on, A504, the Durrows, then turn right. Turn right, A41, Watford Way. After 800 yards, turn left, Aerodrome Road. After 400 yards, turn left. Turn left, Aerodrome Road. After 200 yards, turn right, Boulevard Drive.
here somewhere. Alright, so this is the end of the test. Okay, well, I'm sorry to say you haven't done it this time. Okay, so let me just turn. Just to help you explain what's the reason, I have recorded your faults in the event of the time it have occurred during this recording. Okay, so if you rewind this video and go to that timeline, that time frame, you will be able to see what the mistake is. The very first one, I think we both know what was it. At the 5 minute and 30 seconds, the spot the spot you have chose for the parking, the pull up on the left hand side. Well,
it was a bus stop and then I was trying to move and then someone was coming, I didn't see it.
So my question is, you realize after you went into the bus stop, isn't it? So what was the rush there to move out? So my I'm juggling with this, that do you remember, I mean, do you aware that there is a car coming on your right hand side, or you only aware, I mean, you only got aware when you start moving towards that? What was that? Which one of it?
Started moving,
Okay, so that's the wrong.
Yeah.
So when you got in a wrong side, like wrong place, like let's say you block someone's driveway, or you just went in the disabled box, you not straight away fail the test there. Okay? So all you need to do is just like, oh, I'm in the wrong side. So first you was signaling left, cancel that signal, give a right signal, consider that as a moving off now. Okay, now don't be a judgmental on the test that, oh, I did this, I'm failed. No. You are a driver. We are still judging you, like the examiner is still judging you, that what a driver does in that type of situation. Because mistake can be happen. Okay, so you have not just fully stopped there, did you? No. So I mean to say is like, if you realize you didn't fully stop there, okay, and you've secured the car as if like you're parked. No, you realize just like a second or 2 seconds before, and then you started signaling right and you straight away moving. So that was the mistake. Moving off safety. Okay, so response to the road marking as well, that you should have judged the bus stop sign and all that, but then it's a moving off safety makes you fail. Okay, so always check before you actually plan to stop. Okay, the second mistake was at 8 minutes and 30 seconds. That is where we crossing that dual carriageway straight ahead. You need to be in a middle lane. Okay, again, kind of a similar mistake, that you have realized that you're in a wrong lane. In this case, you did give a signal. Luckily, there is nobody behind you. You did also kind of looked at it as well, but in that case is like you are now very close to that vehicle which is in front, isn't it, on the right lane. So you, like, now again you realize the same thing, same principle applies here, like slow down. It's all right to, like, it's okay to change lane there because you're not in the first place. You are, I think, third or the fourth place, right? So it's perfectly legal and change lane at that point, because there is no prior marking which can tell you which lane is going where. You only can find out when you reach there. Okay, but try and keep it left as possible, then you will not make these type of mistakes. The third mistake was at 12 minutes and 25 seconds. Well, we have already explained this one about the judgments and the looking observation on the junction. So just have a look at that video again and see the timeline you stopping. So like you stop and within 2 seconds you're going. So spend a bit more time there, like not 2 seconds, at least 3-4 seconds makes you much aware of the situation. Because when nowadays there is a new type of vehicles around the road, electric vehicles. Do you think they make noise? No, only the tire makes the bit of a noise. So you won't be able to judge that who is coming, and it will be dangerous for you and them, because you have a priority. I mean, you haven't got a priority. They think we have priority. They're going. You bang. The fourth fault, I would say that's the last fault, makes you fail as well, just at the end of the test. Okay. All right, so we're just making a right turn from the main road at 27 minutes and 20 seconds. You nicely waiting on that middle island, like that's the center of the reservation. There are few vehicles are coming, they gone, but there is now a car coming from the left who wants to turn right. Who has a priority now?
Okay.
They, isn't it? Now because they have like they are here now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Before they were on the left, on the giveaway, but now they are on the road and in front of you. So technically you crossing their path. Now what you should judge there is that if I make this turn, do that car has to slow down for me? If the answer is yes, don't make that turn. Just wait. Or you could have saved yourself there as well by, like, you saw that there was a last car and then you can move, which you thought correctly, but then your speed was not helping you to make that turn finished. Okay, so if you would have just increased a bit, because there's nothing on the right as well where you are exiting, so it's like boom, then that car should not even have to turn. But we turn like and then the car's there now, so he have to brake for you because you haven't finished the turn from his lane. Okay, so these are the very silly mistakes, as we like just spoken earlier, is like no matter thousands of times you do the route, it does happen sometime. Okay, but you tell me that if you done this mistake and then you realized it, isn't it? I should have not done this one. So you're there basically. Okay, so just all you need to do is like realize that part of the bay early. Okay, and then it will be fine. But technically speaking, is only 3 mistakes. The one which was like observation one, because you're stopping and doing it. So for them purposes, like they might, give you a feedback at the end saying that bit more spend bit more time there rather than just pretending. But you was actually stopping and going. So technically you make 3 mistakes. Okay, but, which is not bad. Okay, well done. So keep it up. Watch this video again and again, and I think you should be able to manage. Maybe the quality of the video, I don't know how it's look like, but I try to record it in the 4K, so let's see. Alright, thank you very much. If you got any question, let us know. We'll try and solve if the problem if we have a time. Thank you very much.